When you search for the best LED light bulbs for your car, everything looks the same. Same claims, same photos, but here's the thing, the real differences are hidden deeper. Let's uncover which bulbs truly brighten your ride. Product number 1, iFunny LED Dome Light Kit. First up is the iFunny LED 24 pieces Dome Light LED Car Interior Bulb Kit. Priced at just $9.99, this value pack caught my eye with its extensive selection of bulbs for various needs in your car. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for all your interior lighting needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 300% improved lumen brightness and a color temperature of 6500 Kelvin, these bulbs ensure your car's interior is well lit and welcoming. The kit includes 24 bulbs and a pry bar, so you can tackle everything from dome lights to license plates. Plus, with a life expectancy of up to 50,000 hours, you could enjoy bright lighting for years without worrying about replacements. Now, some people complained about compatibility issues with certain vehicle models. Here's the thing though, as long as you double-check your bulb sizes against your vehicle's manual, you should be fine. It's a minor inconvenience when you consider the quality and brightness you're getting here. This is perfect for you if you want a complete set of interior bulbs for various uses. Skip this one if you're looking for specific exterior lighting solutions. For the price, this kit offers great value. Now, if the compatibility concerns with the iFunny LED bothered you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 2, AUXITO 194 LED bulbs. Next up is the AUXITO 194 LED bulbs, specifically designed for license plates. Priced at $7.99, this pack of 2 boasts a solid 4.6-star rating from over 23,300 reviews. If you want a straightforward upgrade for your license plate lights, this one deserves your attention. The 360-degree lighting angle ensures there are no blind spots, so you can confidently show off your ride. Plus, they're designed to fit various sizes like 168, 175, and T10, making them versatile enough for multiple applications. However, some users mention that these bulbs can be too bright for some license plate frames. Here's the thing though, if you're after visibility and style, that brightness is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you want a simple upgrade that looks good and improves visibility. Skip this if you're looking for bulbs for the interior or other applications. For the price, it's an inexpensive way to enhance your car's aesthetic. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list has even more power for interior lighting. Product number 3, AUXITO 194 LED Bulb Pack. Now let's talk about the AUXITO 194 LED Bulb Pack, which includes 10 pieces for just $10.39. This caught my attention due to its impressive brightness and long lifespan. If you need a reliable bulk option for interior lighting, this is worth a serious look. The 14 SMD LEDs provide a full 360-degree illumination without any dark spots, which is crucial for clear visibility at night. With a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours and low energy consumption, you'll save money in the long run. But some users reported that it may not fit every socket perfectly. Here's the thing though, it's important to double-check your vehicle's specifications. If you do, this pack will serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality bulk option for various interior lights. Skip this if you only need a few bulbs, as this pack is more suitable for those looking to replace several at once. For the value, it provides excellent brightness and longevity. Now, if you want something specifically for fog lights, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, Marsato 194 LED Bulbs. Next is the Marsato 194 LED bulbs, priced at $11.99 for a pack of 10. With a 4.5-star rating from over 52,600 reviews, this option is popular for a reason. If you want powerful, bright bulbs for various interior applications, this is a solid choice. They fit many socket types, including T10 and W5W, and are designed for a quick plug-and-play installation. Plus, their lifespan of over 50,000 hours means you won't be replacing them anytime soon. However, there were some complaints about the size being slightly larger than advertised. Here's the thing, it's crucial to check your bulb sizes beforehand, as this can be a deal breaker for some. But overall, if they fit your vehicle, you'll enjoy fantastic visibility. This is perfect for you if you're after reliable and bright interior bulbs. Skip this if precise sizing is a concern for your vehicle. For the price, you're getting great quality and performance. And lastly, if you need a serious upgrade for your fog lights, you're going to want to check out the next product. Product number 5, Zonkar 9005H11 Fog Light Bulbs. Finally, we have the Zonkar 9005H11 Fog Light Bulbs combo priced at $36.99. With a whopping 120,000 lumens brightness rating, this is not your average bulb. If you're serious about visibility in foggy conditions, this is worth your attention. The plug-and-play installation is straightforward, and the anti-flicker technology means you won't have to deal with annoying error messages on your dashboard. However, some users found the price a bit steep compared to standard bulbs. Here's the thing though, when it comes to safety and visibility on the road, investing in quality lighting can make all the difference, especially in challenging driving conditions. This is perfect for you if safety and visibility are your top priorities, especially in foggy weather. Skip this if you're just looking for standard interior lighting solutions. For the investment, it could be a lifesaver on the road. So there you have it, 5 great options for LED light bulbs for your car, each with its unique strengths and some minor drawbacks. To sum it up, the iFunny LED kit is fantastic for comprehensive interior needs. AUXITO's bulbs shine for license plates and interiors, while Marsauto offers powerful brightness in bulk. Finally, Zonkar is unbeatable for fog lights. Each has its charm, so choose based on your specific lighting needs.